did a 27 panel solar system on a ground mount system using a robust racking system for high wind load. We installed the system out in the cow pasture, and basically the system is going to be running the main house for the farm. It also has 2 Tesla Powerwalls on the system as well, so it has backup capability. So if the grid goes out here in the country in Pearson, Florida, they will have power running off the solar and the batteries. Nice clean install from the crews, nice wiring. We trenched all the power to the barn and then to the main house. A lot of work on this project, turned out real nice. We also did a smaller separate system for just the barn with no battery. We got the power coming into 2 Tesla Powerwall 3 with an expansion pack, has 27,000 watts of backup power. This is the battery that will run the main house. We took the power from this and the solar and took it to the main house as well.